good day to you. Let me remind you that God has a plan for your life. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, the plan to prosper you and not to harm you, the plan to give you hope and a future, the plan to give you an expected end." It doesn't matter how things are right now. Things might not be smooth, things might be difficult, but let me tell you that God still has a plan for your life. People around you right now might not understand you, but listen, they don't have to understand you. All you have to do is to stay focused on your purpose. My brother, my sister, God loves you very much, that He has already mapped out a route to your destiny even before you came into this world. So why are you worried? Why are you worried? Just have it at the back of your mind that God has a plan for you. Stay focused on your purpose and you will see God work in your life. Do not focus on the bad thing that is happening to you. Do not focus on your past. Focus on God's purpose for your life. Focus on your destiny. Hold your head up high and know that your Maker, your God, has a plan for your life. Thank you for watching The Living Snap. Take care and fear not. See you next time.